Have you ever thought of the unique blessings it is to be a woman? Have you ever given serious thoughts of the responsibilities that comes with that? These are questions we don't often ask ourselves because most of us go through life without giving conscious thoughts. Our gender made us daughters, sisters, wives, and mothers. We are the foundation for building a society and raising families. That's why we need to take care of ourselves. Even if you are healthy now, no matter your age, where you live, or what you do, I want us to talk about a very difficult but important topic. One we must face with knowledge because it can take our lives. It's a disease that is becoming more common every day. Breast cancer. It has no boundaries. It is unpredictable, random, and expensive. It doesn't matter if we have health insurance. It doesn't matter if you are rich or poor, what language you speak, or the color of your skin. Breast cancer has no respect for position, political choices, or professions. Simply being a woman puts me and you at risk. Yes, you are at risk. For that reason, every single one of us has the responsibility to take care of ourselves. How? Inform yourself. Knowledge is the key. When we do not know about breast cancer, we remain in fear and denial. The most common way to detect breast cancer is in our own hands. A monthly breast exam, a week after your period, makes us familiar with our body and teaches us how to recognize changes. If you notice a lump that were not there before, swelling, redness, or darkening of the breast, changes in the size or shape of your breast, dimpling of the skin, itching or pulling of your nipple or other parts of your breast, nipple discharge, or pain in one spot that doesn't go away, be alert. In most cases, those changes are not cancer. However, the only way to know for sure is to go to a healthcare professional as soon as possible. Around the world, including our island, women over 40 are urged to get a mammogram once a year because it's still the best way to detect breast cancer. But if you notice any change in your breast before the age of 40, you can still ask to have an ultrasound or a mammogram. The possibility of having breast cancer is real for all of us. If we do not check ourselves often, diagnoses come at advanced stages where little or nothing can be done. When we are taught, you have cancer, different thoughts come to us.
I'm so scared. I don't want anybody to know.
If I lose my breast, I won't be complete anymore.
I would rather die than having to go through this. Maybe it'll go away on its own. Why should I get this expensive treatment if I'm going to die anyway?
I won't handle chemotherapy. I don't want to lose my hair.
I do not have health insurance. My salary will not cover it.
My partner will leave me.
I will lose my job. Then who will take care of my family?
No one will ever find me attractive anymore.
Am I being punished for something I did?
These are real words from real women. We're trying so hard to change these feelings. Breast cancer will not go away on its own. Please, seek medical care. Do not be afraid. Have faith. Our life is worth it. Even though treatments are getting more effective, women are still dying from breast cancer.
I lost my sister at 36 years to breast cancer. Her only complaint was of back pain. She left behind 4 children. Breast cancer never crossed our minds.
I pray for someone to find a cure for cancer.
Maybe one of us will do it one day.
You didn't do your mammogram yet? Remember me, what I'm going through. Cancer ain't no joke. I'm fighting a stage 4. Get checked.
It's better to lose a piece of breast than to lose your life to cancer. I detected it early. You can too.
2 words: early detection. I am a breast cancer survivor.
Being diagnosed with breast cancer, it is not a death sentence. I'm a 14-year survivor.
I am blessed to be a 15-year breast cancer survivor.
I am a breast cancer survivor.
I'm also a breast cancer survivor, and if caught on time, there is life after cancer. God has blessed me with these 2 beautiful children and has given me the strength to continue this fight.
It's amazing how strong you are when you need to be. I am a breast cancer survivor.
Thank God I survived breast cancer. I can do anything. I survived breast cancer.
I speak to you from my heart. I was diagnosed with an invasive type breast cancer 9 months ago. I found a very tiny lump on my left breast. I was under 40. Even without having a family history of breast cancer, I knew it can happen to me. I can be any woman you know. I immediately did an ultrasound and a mammogram. The results said, highly suspicious of breast cancer. From that day, my life has changed forever. My immediate concern was to survive. After a biopsy, it was no longer a suspicion. I had cancer. It was not easy to face it, but I had no options. My life is worth it. For me, for my husband, for my children. My left breast was removed. I had 8 chemotherapy treatments because it was starting to spread in my body. I am still under treatment. There are no words to describe the many physical changes that my body went through during this journey. I found myself looking at the mirror without breast but scars, without hair, in excruciating pain, too weak to move around. The journey through cancer is very complicated. It has challenged me and my whole family, physically, emotionally, and spiritually. Prayers help me to reach deep inside and get in touch with the real me. I think that basing our identity in just our appearance is dangerous for our own selves. We are so much more. There are sad days when I still struggle to find solid ground, but little by little, with the help of my family, my friends, and my faith, the tears and fears have started to dry up. I'm a stronger woman than I was before. This is my life now, and I embrace it. I pray every day for more time to share with my family, to see my children grow. Every day we move closer to a better understanding of the causes and the cure. To all those women who fought and lost their lives to cancer, we honor and remember them today, tomorrow, and always. And to you, the survivor, we celebrate life every day. I'm a breast cancer survivor. Please, don't be the next. Get checked.